both of you better tell me what's going on right now, or... Oh, my stomach! Oh, my mouth! My mouth is on fire!
A cricket could get used to this life. Oh, right. Food.
Okay. So your hand just barfed on my hand. Okay, Sprig, you got anything to eat?
Sure do.
Things that aren't bugs?